Rheumatology is a subspecialty of medicine which deals with autoimmune and musculoskeletal disorders. Musculoskeletal disorders affect nearly 10% of the population. However, there are only around 1,000 trained rheumatologists in India and only 40 rheumatologists all over Karnataka, including Bangalore. There is no rheumatology department anywhere in government setup in Karnataka or even in Bangalore. Patients with autoimmune disease don't get appropriate diagnosis at the right time and hence they are improperly treated. There is a big need for a center that deals with autoimmune diseases that helps in diagnosing and treating these patients.
Optima started first in 2016 as a standalone single rheumatology clinic. There was only one doctor and one receptionist. The total area of the clinic was just 100 square feet. So this was the humble beginning of Optima. As time passed and patient load tended to increase, we realized that this is not sufficient. So the new Optima Hospital building is located in Mahalakshmi layout. It is situated in the main road of Mahalakshmi layout and is easily accessible from the Mahalakshmi metro station. Optima Hospital is a unique center because there are multiple rheumatologists available in a single area. In addition to that, this was a hospital which was started by rheumatologists for rheumatology patients, and all the rheumatologists over here are driven by a passion to ensure that the most ethical care is delivered to the patient along with empathy. In addition to that, rheumatology patients tended to have involvement of several other organs and therefore they needed care from several other specialists, tended to have to run around to several places to just realize what treatment has to be continued. So that is why it was decided to expand to a polyclinic, and the Optima clinic expanded to a 3,000 square foot area which included OPD rooms for other specialists such as cardiologists, neurologists, physiotherapists, psychologists, psychiatrists, and this is where we were able to see multiple patients and offer them a comprehensive care under one roof where all specialists were able to discuss together and decide the treatment at one go. We also have plans to start an operation theatre, an OT, as well as an ICU, so that patients with rheumatological conditions who require surgeries can also undergo the same in Optima Hospital. We have rheumatologists who are qualified in musculoskeletal ultrasound. In that way, this is a unique center in the whole country where we have two rheumatologists who have been certified by the American College of Rheumatology as being qualified to use musculoskeletal ultrasound in daily rheumatology practice. And point of care ultrasound is the future of rheumatology, where patients can immediately undergo evaluation for their joint problems, which will help to determine the exact area in their joints which is having the problem, and based on that the doctor can immediately change whatever treatment is required. Optima Hospital aims to deliver excellent care by rheumatologists, along with being one of a center of excellence where patients can get point of care ultrasound access. In Optima, the nurses get certified by the European Union League of Associations for Rheumatology, but it also has inpatient beds where patients with rheumatological conditions who are having problems either related to their disease or unrelated to their disease can get admitted and can be assured that they will be taken care of by nurses who are aware of their rheumatological condition and aware of the unique challenges that they face because of the same.
Combining this care with the advanced diagnostic and therapeutic tools, we envision to become a center for excellence for rheumatology in the country.